Hey there, I'm Megan with WTI. If you've been working on building your home gym like I have, then you eventually get to a point where you need a place to store it all. That's why I am so happy and thrilled with this storage rack for all my home gym equipment by UMINEUX. What I love the most is that it's large enough to fit all of my gym gear, and there is a spot for everything. I can store my yoga mat in the back as well as my step platform. There's racks in the front to store all of my weights. There's even enough room for me to store my shoes. I also love the hooks on the side, which allows me to store all of my bands for my workouts. I love that the storage rack comes on wheels. These are really heavy duty caster wheels. 2 of them have brakes on them. So I like that I can roll it around. I usually roll it closer to me during my workouts for those quick transitions so that I have everything at my fingertips, and then I'll roll it back to the wall for storage when not in use. Right out of the box, I could tell this thing was well built and very sturdy. It didn't take us long at all to put it together. I am so happy to have all of my gym equipment in one place right at my fingertips for when I'm working out. And I think you will love that too. And that's my point of view.